Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche. Welcome to Beautymagz. In today's video, what I'll be talking about is this instant whitening from Pond's. Okay, I have. If you want to know what my thoughts about this product, then please keep on watching. So I got this product right here. I bought it in Watson. Actually, I just bought a sample size because I don't want to dive into a product when it's not going to be effective for me. So might as well just grab a sample size and then we'll take it from there. We still have a receipt in here. This is only 17 pesos because it's just a sachet. Okay. And this is what the product is. I saw this video from Via Santos. I am a subscriber to her and she did review this product and I am excited if this is going to have any effects on the face instantly. And let's get a read, okay? Asa naman na ako ang antipara. I have no makeup on, so I want to test this product with no any other product except I have moisturizer already on. So this is Pond's, formulated by the Pond's Institute. It's in the line White Beauty. This is called Instabright Tone Up Milk Cream. And for instantly bright skin, milk essence, vitamin B3+, and I cannot see, vitamin B3+ and C. Okay, and in the back it's a little bit too micro to read. I can't really read it. Damn it. It's very tiny, guys. So tiny. How can we read this thing? Okay, so let's just let the camera read it. Okay guys, so I'm just reading here at the Shopee seller. I can't really read it from this. I need a magnifying glass to read this. Anyway, this is inspired by the latest technology from Korea. This first ever Instabright. No, this is tie-up milk. Wait, is this a tie-up milk? No, tone-up milk. Type O reseller gives you instantly bright skin even without makeup. Our formula is enriched with vitamin B3 and milk essence to continuously help nourish and lighten your skin. The benefits: instantly and visibly lightens up skin and spots on first application. Spots. Effectively moisturizes and reduces dullness for clear and bright skin. I need it. And helps to smoothen pores. Pores kayo dyan. And provides UV protection. Alright, let's go. So this is just serve as a moisturizer. Nothing to be I mean, in terms of applications, it's not necessarily have to do anything, but okay, so instant brightening, let's do half and half and let's see what happens. Let's open this packaging. And oh, I forgot, there is a expiration date. I think it's from opening January 18, 2022. I think that's what I am getting at from the expiration date. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's hope for the best. Okay, just half and half. Okay, I'll make a line, straight line, just to make sure we are getting it right. But actually, I will not do just half and half. Just for now. No, it's a lot, guys. I hope it will not. And for the eyes too, might as well. I think I got it a lot. What do you think? Look at that, girls. Ang puti. Hello, puti. Ayan, look at mommy's face. Yan. Hello, yung puti. Ayan. Puti! Wow, it's too bright. It's really brightening. Like, too bright, right? My, I hope it will not stay this way. Insta brightening. Yes. Look at that. Kita nyo naman, diba? You can really see the difference from my face. This is too bright, and then this is my normal face. And it is very easy to apply. It's not sticky. The smell is very refreshing. And it does absorb to the skin fast.
I'm ready.
I hope the color would change somehow. So I hope this one would tone down a little bit more later. Okay, and as far as stickiness, it's not sticky. Smell, I like it. Very baby fresh smell, like a powder fresh smell. I'm not so sure if this would leave out a white cast. Take a photo. No, it doesn't leave a white cast. It's good. For being sticky, no, it's very smooth. Time right now is 3:40. I don't know if I can see it. I will go to work tonight, so I will put some products here also as well, so I'm not gonna be like a mask and I need to be presentable at work. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of the face, and also I will gonna put something on my neck as well. God, it's so white, guys. I think I need to put a little bit of darker powder. This is my first impression on the product. For the price, it's good, 17 pesos. But for being too white on my face, I feel like I'm too pale for this. I'm not so sure if they have any other color, and I think it's just one standard color. And if you are morena, this is not gonna work for you because I'm a little bit more on the medium tan, so it's quite too bright for me, for my skin, my neck. With my dry patches, it's not really sticking into it, and I think it just absorbed to the skin. At the end of the night, I'm just gonna blog what are my thoughts about it. Is it instant brightening? Yes. But it's really super brightening, and if you're morena, this is not going to be good for you, or it will not work for you because you're like a pale ghost like this. So these are my thoughts on this Instabright white tone up milk cream from Pants, and I will give you my final update later. Hi guys, so ayan na siya. Ito na yun after my makeup on. Did it cover my redness? A little bit my spots here. You can still see it from my neck. It's still showing here on my like dark spots here. Yeah, it's not really covering. For me, it's like moisturizer only, a little bit of tint to it, and yeah. But does it cover up your flaws or your imperfections? And especially if you have acne or prone to acne and you have acne scars, don't expect that this will cover. About my pores, will it reduces? No. I still have that gigantic pores. So no. Basically this one is just pure moisturizer with a tint. So I am just going to end this video because for me this is just a moisturizer, And right now, after 30 minutes, I feel like I'm going to oil up soon. And my thoughts, buying it for instant brightening, yes, you could. If you are more on the lighter skin, you can do it. It would somehow brighten your dullness, yes, I would agree to that. But aside from pores and your spots or your acne marks or pimple marks, will it cover? No. This sums up my video. I hope you find something out from this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon. Hi guys, so I am here now at home. This is what my face looks like. It's after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7 hours. And I didn't really oil up so much. Probably my powder foundation, but it was just a light tap on the face just to set it. T-zone area, I have slight shine to it, but it's not very bad. I don't see any like cracks on the face, but my flaws or like my redness is already showing up. It can only hold for a few hours, but after that it's going to appear like your skin.